Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to take a look at this, the Pagani Design PD-1761. I've also seen this listed as the Pagani PDRX, and that's because it looks like the Tissot PRX. Quartz watch, so it's not the Powermatic version, but let's take a look at what we got. So I ordered this off AliExpress in one of the sales. I picked it up for about £62, something like that. What's that, $65 something. Yeah, standard Pagani packaging, really. Always comes nicely packed. Let's flip it open. Here we go. Oh, it's upside down, but never mind. Normal Pagani cleaning cloth, always very useful. Here's the watch. Let's just move that. Instructions are just there. Let's take a quick peek on this. And here we go, nicely wrapped. Yeah, very nicely wrapped. All sealed up. As tight as... Well, it's going to take me a little bit of time to get all that wrapping off, I think. But it's well packed, as you would normally expect with a Pagani Design watch, to be fair to them. Yeah, that looks great. Now, I went with the white version, but there are several versions of this. I'll show you them all in the full review. There is a black version with white dials and a blue version with white dials as well. And I went with this because I didn't want to buy another black watch, but I do have another black watch. I've just ordered one, bizarrely, another Pagani. Right, let's see if we can get some of this off. Bear with me, I might speed this up a bit, save everybody a little bit of time. Wow, that took me about, I don't know, it took me about 2 or 3 minutes to get through all that packaging. There is no doubt that this watch is packaged really, really well. Yeah, you're going to enjoy getting it out of the packaging, but I'm not knocking that because it was packaged really well. Lots of plastic on it. I suppose that's not good for the environment, but it was good for keeping the watch in a good condition. And here we go. So this is the PD-1761. As I say, I've seen it listed as a PDRX as well. 40mm watch, case thickness of about 11mm, sapphire glass, VK63 movement. Oh, screw down crown, which I wasn't sure if it was or wasn't. I believe it is, yeah. Now is it going to burst into life? Have I missed something? Oh, there we go. Sorry, so the second hand is in the sub dial just there, I believe. How do I get the chronograph working then? Oh, buttons. Ah, there we go. Chronograph's working. Was just a little stiff on that top button. Really like the design on this very classy looking watch. Yeah, chronograph there and reset. And springs it back. Very nice indeed. It's just on the back here. Pagani Design PD-1761. Stainless steel, 100-meter water resistance. Obviously, it's not a display case back because it's a quartz. Butterfly clasp. Not my favourite type of clasp, but you're always going to get that with this style of watch. Yeah, not sure if I mentioned sapphire crystal. Looks like there's some AR coating on there as well. That looks really, really good. It's quite a heavy watch. I think it's about 140 grams, give or take. I'd say about 11mm thick. As I say, I'll put all the full dimensions on the review. All right, let's try it on wrist. So I'm wearing the Expedition Scout today, 40mm. I'll put a link up to that in the corner at the end. Let's try this on. So I've got an 8-inch wrist. So this will be straight out the box once I can get the thing in focus. Oh, why is the focus not going on that really well? What's going on there? There we go. Right. Let's try it on here. So 8-inch wrist, I say butterfly clasp. Not my favourite type of clasp. I've had issues with those in the past. But let's just see how this pops on. It did come with a link removal, quite a simple one, in the outer box actually, like they put it in after, so I appreciate that. Oh, it's a little loose, but not too bad. So 8-inch wrist, and it looks really good. Oh, the design's really nice. I'm glad I went with the white. I think that does stand out really nicely, actually. Yeah, really good. The finish on it is really good. No sharp edges I can feel on the bracelet particularly. Yeah, really pleased with that. So if you want to see the full review, please make sure that you subscribe. Now, if this isn't your type of watch, this might be. This is the Timex Expedition Scout 40mm. I've put it on a different NATO. I'll put a link up to that in the corner, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.